Stop! If you're over 60, don't start exercising until you know this. One simple mistake could leave you sore, frustrated, or injured, and most people make it on their very first day. Here's the truth. Your body isn't getting weak simply because you're getting older. Research shows that inactivity accelerates muscle loss far more than age alone. And after age 30, we naturally lose some muscle each decade. This process is called sarcopenia. But here's the good news. Research shows resistance exercise can slow it dramatically. And here's something surprising. Your brain improves before your muscles. Stronger nerve signals help your muscles work more efficiently. This makes everyday movements feel easier. Walking is one of the best habits you can have for your heart, but by itself, it doesn't provide enough resistance as you age. That's why combining walking with strength training produces far better long-term results. Your bones are living tissue, not lifeless structures. Safe, weight-bearing exercise sends signals that help maintain bone strength over time, reducing the risk of fractures as you age. Balance isn't just about strong legs. Your eyes, inner ear, brain, and muscles constantly work, and like any skill, this system becomes stronger when you practice it regularly. Don't try to prove how strong you are on day one. Start with movements you can control, master your technique, and let your body adapt step by step. That's how lasting strength is built. You don't need to exercise every day. For most beginners over 60, 2 to 3 strength sessions each week, combined with walking, balance work, and recovery, is a never rush into exercise after 60. A simple 5-minute warm-up increases circulation, prepares your joints for movement, and helps reduce stiffness before your workout begins. Breathe in before you begin, then breathe out during the effort. Avoid holding your breath. Don't rush your repetitions. Lower your body with control, pause briefly, then stand smoothly. Slower movements increase muscle engagement, improve balance, and help protect your joints. Most beginners fail for 3 reasons. They do too much too soon, skip recovery, or ignore pain. Real progress comes from consistency, not pushing until your body fights back. The scale doesn't tell the whole story. Real progress means climbing stairs with ease, carrying groceries comfortably, improving balance, and feeling stronger in everyday life. After 60, don't focus on mirror muscles. Strengthen the muscles you use every day: your legs, hips, core, upper back, and calves. These muscles help you stay active, steady, and independent. If you master just one exercise first, make it the sit to stand. It strengthens your legs, improves balance, and directly trains one of the most important movements you'll use every single day. Don't rush to heavier weights. When your exercise feels controlled, comfortable, and technique stays perfect, that's the time to increase resistance, just a little. Here's something many people don't realize. Your muscles don't become stronger during the workout. They adapt while you recover. Exercise provides the signal, but your muscles also need enough protein and balanced nutrition to repair and adapt. Good nutrition helps support strength as you age. Many people with arthritis can benefit from regular exercise. Start with comfortable movements, progress gradually, or worsening pain, stop and have your technique or your symptoms checked. Walking speed isn't about winning a race. It's one simple way researchers assess functional health because it reflects strength, balance, coordination, and cardiovascular fitness working together. You don't have to be perfect to get stronger. Missing one workout won't erase your progress. What matters most is returning to your routine and staying consistent over weeks and months. Think you need an hour? Not at all. Even 10 minutes of purposeful movement can help build healthy habits. And those small sessions add up to meaningful improvements over time. A simple guide is the talk test.
I can still talk.
Perfect intensity. During most workouts, you should be able to short sentences without gasping for air. That's usually a comfortable, effective intensity. Exercise starts the process, but quality sleep helps your body recover and adapt. It's during rest that muscles repair, energy is restored, and you're prepared for tomorrow's movement. Before you begin your day, spend just 3 minutes waking up your body. Gentle breathing, joint mobility, light marching, and balance practice can help reduce stiffness and prepare you to move more comfortably. Posture isn't about standing stiff. It's about building strong muscles that support your body naturally. Improving upper back strength and mobility can help you stand taller and move more comfortably. Here is your ideal weekly plan. We balance strength and mobility. This keeps you active and strong. As your balance improves, don't rush into harder exercises. First, reduce how much support you use, then gradually increase the challenge while staying steady and in control. For most beginners, 1 or 2 sets of 8 to 12 controlled repetitions is enough. Don't skip your rest periods. A short recovery allows your breathing, energy, and technique to reset, helping you perform the next set with better control and confidence. Remember these 5 habits before every workout. Warm up, use good technique, increase gradually, and always listen to your body. These simple rules help you train safely for years to come. The greatest reward isn't lifting heavier weights, it's protecting your independence. Staying active supports your strength, balance, heart health, mobility, and confidence for everyday life. Every exercise has a purpose beyond the gym. Stronger legs help you stand up, better balance supports safer walking, and improved strength makes everyday tasks feel easier and more confident. Real change doesn't happen in a week. Every walk, every workout, and every healthy choice adds up. Those small daily habits become the strength and independence you'll enjoy in the future. No matter your age or fitness level, your body can still adapt. Every step you take today is an investment in a stronger, healthier, and more independent tomorrow. Remember these 5 habits: build strength, improve balance, move every day, recover well, and stay consistent. Together, they form the foundation of healthy aging and lifelong independence. One of the most common questions is, am I too old to start? For most people, the answer is no. Start where you are, progress gradually, and let consistency, not age, guide your journey. Your journey towards strength and independence can begin today. BioFit Institute, consistently, and become part of a community building healthier futures together. Your future isn't shaped by one perfect workout. It's shaped by the healthy choices you repeat every day. Start small, stay consistent, and let those habits build the life you want. Take a moment to recognize your progress. Every workout has helped you become stronger. Once exercise becomes comfortable, progress slowly. Add small challenges, improve your technique, and allow your body time to adapt. Creates lasting strength safely. Consistency does not mean being perfect every day. Some weeks will be harder. The goal is to keep the habit alive, adjust when needed, and return as soon as possible. Many people don't start because of fear or doubt. Remember, confidence comes after action. Begin with safe movements, small goals, and let your progress build your belief. The secret to long-term success is not doing more, it is doing better. Master your technique, progress gradually, recover properly, and measure improvements that truly matter. Success after 60 is not about looking younger. It is about moving better, feeling stronger, and keeping the freedom to enjoy the life you worked hard to build. Starting exercise after 60 is a journey, not a race. Begin safely, build strength, improve balance, recover well, stay consistent, keep progressing one step at a time. Your journey does not end here. Subscribe for more science-based guidance and take your first step today.